friends, in this video I am going to show you what to do if you are recording your screen with ADV screen recorder, and if it shows that your engine is crashed. So let's have a look. First, go on apps, go on ADV screen recorder. You can see it. You can go on more option, go in settings. Where is it? You can go in recording engine. If first you will have a advanced engine supports pause, then you can convert it into default engine and do back, and now you can record it easily. You can see nothing will happen if you will stop.